Tell me your name.
Joey Phillimgay.
And you're in the
Senate, District 41, which covers all of Jeff Davis County currently. Of course, these district lines are about to change, but currently have all of Jefferson Davis County, part of Covington, part of Marion, part of Lamar, and part of Forest.
Okay, and your hometown is?
Summerall, Mississippi.
What's your favorite medical TV show? MASH, ER, Grey's Anatomy, or House?
Oh, House, probably.
Okay. What's your favorite song with Doctor in the title? Dr. Feelgood by Motley Crue, Calling Dr. Love by Kiss, or Dr. My Eyes by Jackson Browne?
Well, I only know the first one, so I guess that would be my favorite.
In the past or these days, what is your favorite exercise or healthy activity?
Well, I try to go to the gym like 3 or 4 times a week, so the treadmill is always a favorite, but I've kind of gotten into the elliptical machine. It seems to do a little more with the time you got, so probably elliptical.
What's your favorite healthy food?
Well, I do like salads, green salads, I guess, so if you just have to pick one healthy food, though, I don't know if watermelon counts, but that's probably my favorite healthy food.
No doubt. What's your favorite unhealthy food?
Ooh, a Ward's Big One.
Your favorite physicians in your hometown or district?
Well, my favorite physician would be my own Dr. Jack Hudson. He's my primary care physician.